We're here today to talk about how unfair the Ryan Republican House budget proposal is.
When the Republican budget came out and everybody said, where are the sacrifices? It was very clear. There's a lot of sacrifice in that budget except for one group of people, millionaires and billionaires.
The Paul Ryan budget proposal would bring down the top rate from 35% to 25%. This would make it the lowest level for the very wealthy since 1931, when Herbert Hoover was president. Talk about trying to turn back the clock.
The Republican budget that came out is a smokescreen to kill a program many of them have never supported, and that is Medicare.
The House Republican budget will end Medicare as we know it. After 50 years of success proven by the fact that seniors now live longer, they're stronger, they're more independent, and they're healthier than they ever were before Medicare, the House Republicans have said, we want to end Medicare as we know it.
Now, is Medicare a perfect program? Of course it isn't. There are a lot of things that can be done to make it better. But I know the difference. I've seen the difference between having Medicare and not having it. And what the House Republican budget proposal does as it relates to Medicare changes Medicare as we know it. It in fact turns it over to the insurance industry.
They want to more than double the out-of-pocket expense for senior citizens across America to continue under something they call Medicare. Our rough estimates today means that it will be an additional out-of-pocket expense each year for every senior qualifying for Medicare of more than $10,000 for Medicare premiums as well as prescription drugs. You tell me how the millions of Americans who are retired on fixed incomes can possibly come up with $10,000 a year to keep the care they have today. That's the wrong way to go. And if that's the way the Republicans believe we're going to balance the budget in America at the expense of senior citizens under Medicare, I think they're in for a rude awakening.
So we urge House Republicans to go back to the drawing board and come up with a fairer proposal than the Ryan budget. No plan to end Medicare as we know it will ever pass the Senate.
The budget approach that the president put forward is balanced. Everyone is at the table. Everyone has to make sacrifices. And we protect the values that are so important to American families of being able to send their kids to college, know that they have health care when they retire that's there for them, and they don't have to pay more than someone else.